Hi everyone, Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're hopefully going to be answering one of the most popular questions that we get asked in store. Do I go for a Dometic All-Season fabric awning or the Weathershield Pro fabric? So, starting with the All-Season fabric, it really just depends on how you're going to be using the awning and where you're going to be using the awning. So if it's going to be used for a couple of months at a time on a seasonal pitch, we definitely recommend the all-season fabric because it's been tried and tested in the wettest climates across Europe. It's a lot more breathable in hotter climates in Europe as well. And it's really got that great UV protection that you need when the awning's pitched for months at a time. So definitely, push you towards that fabric if that is your circumstance. Another key point to say as well that they have put the all-season fabric on their larger awnings, so on the Club, the Ace and the Grande, which are larger in size, larger in depth, and more aimed at those seasonal pitches where you need that space when it's going to be pitched for months at a time. They have also brought it in for the Club 330 that we've got here, and also the Rally 260, because it has been a popular fabric for tourers, especially across Europe where they want that extra premium fabric. We're now going to go on to the Weathershield Pro fabric and just talk through some of the key qualities on that. Okay, so how does the Weathershield Pro fabric compare? So this fabric, not as breathable as the All-Season, it's polyester fabric, but a lot more lightweight. So with that lightweight, it's at a cheaper cost and a smaller pack size. So perfect for your tourers, where the awning's going to be pitched at multiple sites for maybe a week or two at a time. It's a lot quicker and easier to get it up and down. So it's across the full range as well. So in the larger awnings like this Ace 400, it's fantastic. But it's also great on the smaller Rally 200. So it's across the full range, a great fabric, all the look and feel of a traditional acrylic fabric that you'll have seen on other awning brands, but at that much lighter weight perspective. So a fantastic fabric. And I guess in conclusion, it's worth saying it really does depend on your circumstance as to what fabric you want to go for, how and when it's going to be used, and really what your price point in terms of budget is. But two great fabrics and two fabrics that we really recommend from an awning perspective. Also worth noting, so Dometic really famous for how you can customize their awnings, and it's great to know that you can get their annexes, their extensions and side wings in each of the two fabrics as well. So definitely worth just pointing that out. But hopefully this video has really just summed up the two fabrics and will help make your choice for your next awning purchase a little bit easier. Thanks for watching.